This is a project on the health-conscious lunch packing for the hospitality house employees. We are all nutrition undergraduate students. My name is Samara.
I'm Samantha.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Zach.
I'm Michael.
And this project is being carried out at the hospitality house, and the supervisor is Faith Bradley.
So the rationale for this project is comprised of a few things, and the first was our goal. And the goal of the project was to encourage employees at the hospitality house to make better food and beverage choices by implementing an educational session to increase their awareness of benefits of preparing meals at home to bring to work. So eating and preparing home-cooked meals leads to higher consumption of nutrient-dense foods like fruits and vegetables compared to eating out. It also more closely aligns to traditional dietary guidelines like the DASH and the Mediterranean diets. On that same token, the consumption of these nutrient-dense foods stabilizes blood glucose, resulting in more consistent energy levels and cheerier, more productive workers. So we had to address a USDA guideline, and the one that we chose was to shift to healthier food and beverage choices, and to educate the hospitality house employees on how to do such a thing with lunch packing.
So we had a few objectives for the project, and the first one would be participants will demonstrate knowledge on healthy eating patterns, specifically focused on diets that are low in added fats, salts, and sugars, and then high in nutrients like vegetables, fruits, grains, and quality protein sources. Participants should also be able to demonstrate ability to pack nutritious dense foods, beverages for work instead of less healthy choices. Participants will be able to define and identify nutrient-dense foods. They'll also be able to locate and use resources to help them prepare meals at home. Some activities that we plan on doing is to create posters and handouts to motivate employees, provide simple recipes or combinations of foods that are lunchbox friendly. We'll also complete a presentation that compares and contrasts calorie-dense foods versus nutrient-dense foods and beverages. We'll also walk through some websites that help users make better food choices and offer beginner nutrition education.
So the main educational tool that we're going to be using is obviously PowerPoint. Going along with that, to support the activities mentioned previously, we're going to be using the website Meal Prep Haven, which is great for helping beginners and experienced people alike kind of make better choices as far as preparing food at home and bringing it to work. We're also going to talk about the MyFitnessPal app, which is really good for helping people track their food and fitness habits. Kind of helps people see what they're doing right and doing wrong and help them make changes.
So talking about all this is good and all, but we're trying to make sure that we see some results and we see that these workers have established some kind of education base from us. So to do that, we'll have an initial survey to see what they think of eating healthy, how they see it as, and what the difficulties are having with it. So this is going to have to show them that they have prior knowledge, if so. And so then following that, we'll have, after the completion of our PowerPoint demonstration, see if they've gained some knowledge, see if what we had done is successful. Also, if anyone asks questions and looks for deeper input from us, then we'll be able to tell that, okay, we at least sparked some curiosity in the topic with them. So we can also be able to tell how they see it as in their reaction and what they take the project as. So this is all in hopes that we can see how successful our project was.